Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. Now let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's localize the build number, and it should be somewhere in the software information, I believe. Of course, here we've got the build number. All we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So let's go back. We have to go back to the general settings, and as you can see, right under the About Phone, we will have the developer options. So let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can force the desktop mode, we can manage the strict mode. Here we've got some options which are connected with the hardware. We can change the window animation scale, for example, show pointer location. Here we've got some options connected with the networking. So as you can see, a lot of advanced settings. And if you want to turn on the feature, it basically works just like in the regular settings. So find it and tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, simply tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, simply tap on this switcher at the top. It is pinned to the top of the screen, and after that most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options will disappear from this general settings list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.